How to contact Agoda Customer Care. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can contact Agoda Customer Care. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. This is simple. By now, here in your Agoda app, at the bottom of your screen, you're going to find 5 different options. The last one is more. And there, if you scroll down all the menu, you're going to find Help Center. Almost as in all the customer support, you're gonna find several articles where you can find solutions to your issues. But in case you want to speak or to talk, to chat with someone directly, you must tap here in the beginning of the Contact Us. There's a button in the blue background that says Contact Agoda Customer Service. I'm gonna tap there. So this is going to begin a chat with the customer service. Sometimes it takes a little time to load. You can go back and obviously begin the process again, and they're going to assist you. Probably this is going to be assisted by a bot. So you must continue. Let's suppose it's with booking details. They're going to offer you some more help. By now they don't have any help, so I'm gonna try with another one. As you can see, I've tried several options like date change, main menu, contact Agoda, but because they cannot find any booking related to my account, so this is not helping me. But I assure you that if you already have something related with Agoda, this is gonna help you a lot, and at the end you're gonna be able to chat with someone in customer service. And that's how it works. That's how you can contact Agoda Customer Care. Thanks for watching.